Ranald and Gaffney, and welcome to the Cook for Your Life YouTube channel. So today we're going to be making a real favorite thing of mine. I love Indian food, and we're going to be making zucchini fritters today, and they're a kind of a less greasy version of a really delicious Indian appetizer called kofta, and we're going to be making it with zucchini today because it's really kind of a perfect way to use up these vegetables at the end of the summer. So we're going to be using garbanzo flour, chickpea flour. Now this is really great because it's gluten-free, for those of you that matters to, and it has a lot of protein in it because it's made with chickpeas, so it's a win-win already. So I'm just going to sift, this is about a cup, I'm going to sift it into a large bowl with a little bit of salt and some baking powder. It's about half a teaspoon. So, and sifting is always great because it puts air into the flour. So I'm just going to put a little bit more salt in that, and I'm going to make a little well in the middle. Now I have here some water. It's about a half to 3/4 of a cup. So just going to put it in and just beat it in slowly. Whoops. I don't want it to stick because this is I'm just going to put a little bit more in here. Just give me a second because there we go. I want it to be a little bit thinner because the thing about chickpea flour is that what happens is it thickens up as it sits, and we need to let it sit for a little bit. Right, so while that's sitting, I'm going to work on the zucchini. I'm going to use this nice fat big one here. I'm just going to grate them. Now, let me just chop the end off of this. Not that it matters, but okay. Some down. I'm going to do about half of this one because it's actually quite a big zucchini, because you need about 2 medium ones for this. Okay, so as you can see, it's pretty wet. So just to speed things along, I'm just going to the liquid in this to dilute the batter too much. So I'm just going to sort of press it a little bit. Okay, now we have some here. I'm just going to add it to this that we already did. And this one I just let it sit wrapped in some kitchen paper. Okay, some whole cumin seed and some jalapeno pepper, because I like these to be a bit spicy. Now with the jalapeno, we've got a whole jalapeno here, but you can really put in what you like. So put these guys in here, and this will just flavor the batter a bit. Okay. But I'm a big fan of cilantro for this, but then I love it. That's a different thing. Okay, I'm just going to get the leaves off. We don't want a whole lot, we want about a tablespoon, but this goes to nothing really fast. Okay, all right, let me just, as always when chopping herbs, keep the point of the knife down and, oh, myself a bit of room there. Oh, that smells so good. Okay, that's good. Now I'm going to put that in the batter also. Okay. I suppose these are kind of almost a bit like a latke without the eggs. And once, you don't have to, you can use things other than zucchini for this too. I've made these with leeks, even potatoes. Put some oil in a pan now, and we're going to go to the stove, and I was going to fry these in very little oil. This is about a tablespoon of olive oil. I'm going to get out everything that I can. Okay, just going to wait till this gets hot. So I'm just going to use spoonfuls of this. Of course, if you've got a griddle, perfect for this. Yeah, that's good. Oops. Oh, I want it going in there.